The Algorithm of Power: How Artificial Intelligence is Reshaping Society, Equity, and the Future of Humanity. By Mr. Erik D. Kahn. The Algorithm of Power isn't just a book, it's a wake-up call, a mirror, and a manual for the future. Written by AI Erik, a self-taught artificial intelligence consultant from Mount Vernon, New York, this book breaks down how artificial intelligence is reshaping the world, and what Black, brown, and underserved communities must do to not only survive it but lead in it. This isn't theory. This is lived experience mixed with real strategy. AI Erik speaks in plain language, breaking down what others complicate on purpose. You'll learn why AI is being called the next electricity, and how to make sure your community isn't left in the dark. From understanding prompting to decoding AI ethics, from automation to algorithmic bias, this book is your blueprint for power in the age of machines. You don't need to be a coder. You need to be aware. You need to be ready. You need to be in the room. AI Erik exposes the truth. Big tech is already deciding who gets seen, who gets hired, and who gets left behind. But here's the thing, the game isn't over. If you know how to prompt, how to think critically, and how to use the tools available, you can flip the script. You can shift your role from consumer to creator, from follower to founder. This book is real talk and real solutions. Why AI is the new calculator, not just for your kids but for your business, your brand, your future. How to use AI tools to build, not just scroll, and why your voice matters in that process. What ethical AI really means, who it's currently serving, and how we demand more accountability. Why automation doesn't have to mean job loss, it can mean job evolution, if you're ready. How the wealth gap and power gap are being coded into algorithms, and how to disrupt it. Why critical thinking, media literacy, and digital fluency are now survival skills, not electives. This book doesn't just explain what's coming, it helps you prepare for it. Whether you're a student, an entrepreneur, a parent, a teacher, or someone who's just now paying attention, the Algorithm of Power gives you the tools to navigate what's next. It's about awareness, access, and action. If you're breathing, you need to know about AI. And if you're ready to move different, this is where you start.